Hi, I'm Willie Crawford, and I'm here with Roxy Thomas, who is a newly certified joint venture broker. She's just completed 5 very intense days of training in everything that's required to successfully launch a product. And so if you're a product owner who's getting ready to launch a product either online or offline where you're using internet marketing tools, then she's your person. She knows how to make sure you have all the pieces of the puzzle together, all the right things that people would want in place in order to promote your product. And she can find the people who control the large list, who have control who have the trust, the thought leaders out there. She can reach out. She can find those people and get them to promote your product and take even a struggling product launch and turn it around, because again, she knows how to reach out to convince people it's in their best interest to promote your product. So if you need help with a product launch, Roxy is your person. She's very organized. She's hard charger. She's ready to go. I mean, and we did give them projects to start working right in the class. And Sohail Khan, my business partner, and I, we are holding their hands through as long as they need. So you not only get Roxy, you get us too. So I highly recommend that you give Roxy a try.